All of the 8 major studies conducted on identical twins in the United States, Scandinavia and Australia over the last 20 years have pointed to the same result. Homosexuals are not born gay. Identical twins share the same genes and DNA. They are exposed to the same prenatal conditions. Accordingly, if homosexuality depended on genetic causes or prenatal conditions, in the cases where one of the twins was gay, the other would have to be gay as well. In the study, other assertions attempting to present this perversion as reasonable, such as there is a link between homosexuality and exposure to prenatal hormones and the prenatal immune attack on the male brain, have also been examined, but after 20 years of study, it has been noted that no evidence has been found to support these claims. Additionally, studies that aim to find microstructural differences between the brains of homosexual individuals and heterosexual individuals also presented no results supporting such assumptions. The minds of healthy people and individuals who lead homosexual lifestyles did not display any differences. In another study, it was found that there was no difference between homosexual men and normal men in terms of estrogen or testosterone levels. All of these studies came to the following conclusion: homosexuality is not genetic. The claim that homosexuality is genetic is nothing but an effort to justify the deviant behavior of these individuals in the public eye. Both children and adults must be very careful about this. Today, children face the danger of being given up for adoption to parents who lead such immoral lives. When they are exposed from an early age to such an environment, they too are at risk of being dragged into this immorality. This is why children absolutely should not be entrusted with people who lead such an immoral, perverted life and who will set an improper model. The fact that a 9-year-old transgender child is featured on a cover of the December issue of National Geographic magazine indicates the gravity of the situation. It should not be forgotten that the British deep state is a dark structure that supports all kinds of perversions. This is the actual reason behind their support for LGBT activities. They provide all sorts of political, social and financial support to make this foul deed one that was rendered unlawful by God, widespread throughout the world. And its real intention in doing so is its desire to establish the dominance of the system of Dajjal over the world.